exchanged conversations, I knew we would instantly click as friends. Yes, as friends lang. Kasi siya po talaga yung unang nahulag sa ganda ko. Kidding aside, we've been through a lot. We've been through so much. Overexhausted na yung emotions natin sa lahat ng nangyayari. And we almost lost this story of ours. Yet, iba talaga gumalaw si Lord.
Bawat buklat ng aklat pinabalikan, mga liham na ang laman, ligayang dala, ikaw lang ang may akda. Sa lahat ng pahinang sinulat ng tadhana'y ikaw at ikaw at ikaw pa rin, ikaw pa rin. Ang yugtong paulit-ulit kong babalik-balikan. Sigaw ay
You are an extraordinary woman, and I love you more than I thought I could love anyone. Actually, hindi kita hiniling kay Lord para maging sa akin. Ang lagi kong pinagdarasal sa Kanya is ibigay niya sa akin yung tamang tao. At yung tamang tao na yon is siya na yung taong itinadhana niya para sa akin.
So just a quick background of my wedding gown. It is made by Mr. Edwin Tan during the 1994 wedding of my mommy and daddy. So, ito po ang wedding gown ni mommy na sinuot niya noon 30 plus years ago. So, yun din yung napili kong gamitin sa aking own wedding para memorable and meaningful yung gown ko for my wedding. Madami ng story to tell itong gown na to. I'm also privileged na gamitin tong gown na to because, of course, ito yung gown ni mommy and it's very heartwarming for me na mapapasa rin sa akin yung wedding gown niya at masusuot ko siya sa wedding day ko. And siguro, kapag buhay pa siya, after ilang years, doon naman sa baby namin.
sa umpisa ng yugtong, di na sana naisulat pa. Simula sa wakas na di matuklasan, babalik kung saan.
Timing was all this relationship is about. We've had ugly pasts, but surely we will be writing our beautiful future with our own family. And today, I choose you, and I will keep choosing you for the rest of my life.
Sa lahat ng pahinang sinulat ng tadhana'y ikaw at ikaw at ikaw pa rin, ikaw pa rin. Ang yugtong paulit-ulit kong babalik-balikan. Sigaw ay ikaw pa rin, ikaw pa rin. Patuloy kong panghahawakan ng iyong mga salitang hindi na nakikita sa tingin ng iyong mga mata. Ngunit kung sarado na ang puso sa nadarama, pwede bang isipin mo kung bakit tayo nagsimula? Sa wakas, laging matuklasan, pabalik kung saan di na natagpuan. Ang kagamakang nagkatanaw sa umpisa ng yugtong, di na sana naisulat pa.
Ngayon, magiging officially married na po kayo. Maging official na mag-asawa na kayo. Ibig sabihin, wala nang akin lang. At tandaan ninyo ito, ang sikreto ng masayang pagsasama ay hindi paghahanap ng perfect na asawa, kundi ang pagiging faithful, forgiving, at loving araw-araw tulad ng pagmamahal ni Jesus. You are imperfect. You are called perfectly together to love one another.
So, Nak, this is it. This is your day. And I hope you learned a lot. And Those were the days kung bakit ito ka ngayon. Your success is where your experience is. So you better keep it up, and may God be always be with you. God bless you.
My baby, now a lady, and now a wife. Now a wife. Take care of your health and always be a good girl to your husband, and be always loving and forgiving. Okay? And always remember that God loves you, and Daddy and Mommy love you too. Okay?
Ruth Ezra, do you take Christian James here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Christian James, do you take Ruth Ezra here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Ito na ang huli kong liham. Ayoko siyang masayang sa isang paalam. Sa isang paalam. Dahil ako ay
You become my guiding light. You show me what it looks like to love without any condition, to be accepted completely. I love that you've never asked me to be perfect, just present. Thank you for your patient love. Because of that, I have found the courage to strive and become the man I always wanted to be.
Pikit ka lang, sinta. Ako ay nariyan na sa buhay mang ito o sa kabilang mundo. Hanggat may pag-asang dumadaloy sa akin at sa'yo. Hanggat pag-ibig ay panig sa atin.
Ruth Ezra, sa harap ng lahat ng taong nagmamahal sa atin, I wanna promise you this. I will stand with you sa lahat ng chapter ng buhay na darating sa atin. Sa lungkot at saya, sa hirap at ginhawa, I will choose you. I will always choose our marriage again and again and again. I will be your partner in all things, your safe place, your defender, and your daily reminder of how beautiful you are and special you are. Today, as I became your husband, I say this without hesitation that you are the one. And I know with my hand in yours, there's no trial we can overcome. You have made me better, stronger, braver, and more alive. And because of that, I will be forever yours till death do us part. This is my vow, now and always. I love you, Bubi.
At di mo na ako kailangang hanapin pa. Pikit ka lang, sinta. Ako ay nariyan na sa buhay mang ito.
I promise to be the best wife, the best friend, the best companion. I promise to be faithful with you and you, always, always. And I promise to always pray with you and put God at the center of our lives.
O sa kabilang mundo. Hanggat may pag-asang dumadaloy sa akin at sa'yo. Hanggat pag-ibig
As I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry. 'Cause he knows just what I needed in this life.